Bazzite versus Bluefin. Choosing the right Linux distro can transform your computing experience without the usual hassles. Bazzite offers a stable KDE desktop focus, while Bluefin brings a different approach to Linux customization and performance. Bazzite and Bluefin are two Linux distributions designed for users seeking performance and stability. The core difference lies in Bazzite's emphasis on a polished KDE Plasma desktop with AMD and NVIDIA optimizations, whereas Bluefin targets a broader customization scope with a unique system approach. Bazzite is a Linux distribution built around the KDE Plasma desktop, focusing on stability and performance, especially with AMD and NVIDIA hardware. It offers a smooth, visually appealing user interface that integrates well with modern hardware acceleration. Bazzite works by providing a curated, stable environment that supports the latest drivers and software packages, making it ideal for both daily use and gaming. Its strengths include a robust KDE experience, excellent hardware support, and a community-driven development approach ensuring timely updates. However, the site's focus on KDE means users who prefer other desktop environments might find it limiting. It also leans towards users comfortable with some Linux setup and configuration, but rewards them with a highly responsive system. The ideal user is someone looking for a reliable KDE-focused distro optimized for modern graphics cards and who values both aesthetics and performance without having to tweak too much. Bluefin Linux offers a flexible and customizable Linux experience with a focus on user control and system customization. It supports a variety of desktop environments, allowing users to tailor their workspace extensively. Bluefin works by providing a modular system base, enabling users to add or remove components based on their needs, which can optimize performance or enhance functionality. Its strengths include adaptability to different workflows, broad hardware compatibility, and a strong emphasis on user empowerment through customization. However, this flexibility can come with a steeper learning curve, as users may need to invest time configuring the system to their liking. Bluefin is best suited for advanced Linux users or enthusiasts who want to build a personalized environment and are comfortable managing system components. It appeals to those who prioritize control over default settings and enjoy tweaking their system for specific use cases, from development to multimedia production. Comparing Bazzite and Bluefin in real-world use shows clear trade-offs. Bazzite excels in delivering a ready-to-use KDE Plasma experience optimized for AMD and NVIDIA hardware, making it perfect for users who want a polished system out of the box with minimal setup. For example, gamers or content creators using modern GPUs will appreciate Bazzite's stability and performance. In contrast, Bluefin shines when customization and flexibility are paramount. Developers or power users who want to tailor every aspect of their Linux environment will benefit from Bluefin's modular design, though it demands more hands-on management. If you prefer a streamlined, visually consistent desktop with solid hardware support, Bazzite is the way to go. But if you want deep customization and control over your system components, Bluefin offers a more adaptable platform, albeit with a steeper learning curve. Choose Bazzite if you want a stable, visually polished KDE desktop optimized for modern hardware, with minimal setup and reliable performance. Opt for Bluefin if you value extensive customization and control over your Linux environment and are comfortable configuring your system. Both distros excel in their niches, so pick based on your preference for ease of use or flexibility to get the best experience.